In Simbu culture, death is not faced by one person alone. It is carried by the whole tribe, the whole clan, and the whole relative. Everyone bring their own contribution, food, money, and pig. These are not simple gifts, they are symbol of honor and standing together. By saying your pain is my pain, your lose is my lose, your sorrow is my sorrow. Before reaching the burial house, we cover our face and body with mud to show the grief and the weight of pain we carry. It shows the world that we are mourning deeply and carry sorrow that touch our bone. Red ribbon are tied around the neck, on the arm, and even the car that carry the dead body.
People will know that we carry a dead body.
These ribbons speak without words, telling everyone on the way that a family is carrying a dead body. A silent sign that we are carrying the body of our loved ones and we are walking through mourning. As we move towards the funeral home, relatives wait along the road. They lay flour on the ground so that people and vehicles can pass over them. A final part of love to show the depth of their love, as if laying a softer path for the spirit that has left us. Many will roll from the ground, crying from their deepest part of their souls, showing the pain that words cannot explain. Auntie and uncle from the neighboring village arrive with their own food item, with their own support. And more pigs. Even in their pain, they walk to long distance to just be present, showing that family in Simbu does not fall apart during loss. The village gather as one body, one voice, and one heart.
Without wash.
For how many days?
Maybe 2 weeks.
Oh, so you not wash for 2 weeks?
Yes.
So that is part of your tradition, so?
Traditional.
According to tradition, the body stay at home for 5 or 6 days according to the family discussion and agreement. These days feel long, heavy, and scary. During those days, no one will wash their body, showing that they are mourning deeply with the departed. If the body is laid to rest on the 6 days, then the family also will wait until 6 days before washing. They will stand strong in their grief.
And so, all family, only getting respect now. Only showing concern and support. Thank you.
We are kitchen girls, we cook food for the people, the house cry.
A very good, nice lady who passed away from a village in the southern part of Simbu.
Yeah.
And her name is Anna Rose.
Okay.
She died on Tuesday last week.
Okay.
And the family member saw their appreciation by taking the body over to the funeral home in the provincial headquarters in Fundiawa and left the body at the funeral home down in Warachimbu. And it was there for at least a week in Warachimbu. And then this week, Tuesday, we pick up the body. We came back home with the body. And customary obligations, when somebody very special in a family passed away or died, we used to have all other family members from surrounding villages and areas, or even out to other villages nearby, who used to come and share their sorrow and condolence with us, the family members. The body is with us since Tuesday when we came back home, and it is with us at a house cry, which we will actually arrange for the burial, which will take place before the weekend.
Okay.
We have the customs that mainly or commonly in Simbu, somebody died, we used to set the workload or the burden that the family carried. And by doing this, other family members from surrounding villages, they normally come in with kai or food stuff, cash donations, or pig to offset other bills and debts in that house cry.
Okay.
So this is what exactly is happening here. From my background, you can see a big crowd of people, who came from nearby villages and share the same sorrow with us, the family members in a house line. And this is what it is exactly happening here in the house line. She's a very strong Christian, so we'll have a funeral service before the burial on Saturday. Most people, rubbing mud on their faces to show their sorrow when a family member passed away. We don't have wars. We just stay for at least a week or two to say our sorry. When we are in house cry, we don't have time to go to the garden. To the family members used to come in with food, cash and kind, or animals to support us.
At night, they mull rice and share it with everyone. Because even in sorrow and pain, they still take care of each other.